Orange area is severe thunderstorm watch. Corpus Christi is not included in any of this, but the Freer area is included in this tornado warning. Here is Freer, here is Seven Sisters. You're in the tornado warning till 7:45, a severe thunderstorm warning till 7:30 for that same general area of northern and north central Duval County. All right, it's coming out of this area right here, and these storms were moving northeast, then east and southeast, and now they've turned south. This is all along a frontal boundary right here and about to merge into Duval County, as you can see right there. And that's the storm that we're concerned about. It does show some rotation on the front end of this right here. It does have the potential of producing a tornado right in this area. So if you're in the Freer region, this is coming in your direction. It's very heavy rain. There's small hail with this, along with lightning and heavy rain, very heavy rain in this region right here. So this is the Doppler radar right now. Again, it's headed in your direction. Other storms out to the west of there to Ensenal will drop in on the rest of Jim Wells County. Check that Duval County. Here are the cloud tops. These cloud tops are up to about 56 to 58,000 feet. And the higher the cloud tops, the more likely the storm is to be severe. And then also, when you take a look at the velocity, whenever you have red next to green, again, this is the Freer area. This is the area right here where you have the difference between moving towards the radar and away from the radar. And right here is probably the tornado signature where red is next to green. This is at 7:15, or that's Freer. This storm is headed in your direction. So if you have threatening weather in your area, you need to take precautions immediately. You can see the 3D development of this and how high it is compared to the rest of the storms around it. Again, it's headed south. This is the Corpus Christi International Airport right here. So that storm is going to pass us way to the west. We'll continue to monitor the weather very carefully from the Weather Center. Again, a tornado warning till 7:45 tonight. In northern Duval County, the towns of Seven Sisters and Freer are included in that warning. Keep it here for the latest.
This has been a weather alert from the 6 Weather Center. From the 6 Weather Center, this is a weather alert.
Good evening, I'm meteorologist Dale Nelson, continuing to update you on this severe weather in the area. And we're talking about a new severe thunderstorm warning out here for most of the northeastern sections of Duval County, extending into the extreme northwestern part of Jim Wells County. And that's until 8:15 tonight. So that's what we're looking at. There is also a flash flood watch in that green area there. That's in McMullen County. But this is the area we're watching very carefully. Seven Sisters. Freer, you're not in this now. As you can see, you're out of the warning. Now, that orange area is a severe thunderstorm watch till 10 o'clock tonight, which covers a large chunk of Texas. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But again, Seven Sisters is in this, and that's about the extent of it out there in the brush country till 8:15 tonight. There was a tornado warning earlier that has expired. As the good news is, these are very vicious storms, but they have weakened a little bit since the last time we visited you about 30 minutes ago. So that's what I figured would happen, because the air is more stable as this progresses to the south and east towards the coast. That's why we're not in the watch area here in Corpus Christi. But this is the area under the gun right here in southwestern Live Oak County, extreme northwestern Jim Wells County, and northern Duval County, stretching back to Ensenal. You can see it here on the Doppler radar loop, and again, very heavy rain along the Duval County, McMullen County line, extending north and east. That's where the flash flooding is going on now out in that region. The heaviest of activity is just south of Highway 59 and north of Freer, and then extending all the way back to the west. That's slowly going to sag in our direction. The cloud tops on this are up to about 47 to 45,000 feet, so they're less than what they were considerably. So the cloud tops are coming down, so that means the severity of these storms is coming down too. As we take a look at the Doppler radar 3D here, again, you can see the highest right there, again, along the Live Oak, or McMullen County line, I should say, with Duval County line, the combination of the two. And then you can see this right here. This is the strongest of the storms, and it has weakened. You can see how the top has come down over the last 45 minutes. So it is slowly weakening, but this is dumping very heavy rain. There is some small hail in this, and of course lots of lightning as it moves off to the south. This is again a southward progression. Here's the big picture. You can see in orange here, that's the severe thunderstorm watch, meaning there's a potential for severe thunderstorms through 10 o'clock tonight. Corpus Christi is not included in this. Here comes the storm activity, and again, eventually along a frontal boundary, that's going to turn southeast in our direction. So that's what we're looking at right now. We'll continue to monitor the weather from the Weather Center. None of this affecting Corpus Christi at the present time, but the showers and thunderstorms will be moving in later tonight. We'll have an update as necessary right here on your station, KRIS6, and on the CW at 9 o'clock.
This has been a weather alert from the 6 Weather Center.